Maabitha wathani wa matuura makoretwo makimurikwo na muno makiria hindi ya kambeini cia githurano kia mweri wa kanana, gukirikana haingi ao ni mahuthagirwo ni thirikari. No undu uyu ni wonekete gucenjia thutha wa thirikari gwatha maabitha wathani wa matuura gwithemana na gwikuruhania na ciiko ciothe cia uteti.
The policy of this administration is to create a professional national government administrative organ that can serve the country impartially, equally, and in accordance with the law. Leave political matters to politicians. Our work for those who are in this sector is to provide services to the people of Kenya.
Akiaria hindi ya mambura ma kuhumbo thumbi kwa nini ya county commissioner 448 mwena wa Embakasi, Minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Professor Kithure Kindiki ni augire gutiri abitha o wothe wa wathani wa matuura aguthukirwo wira wegemaine na uteti na handu-ini ha uguo makuheo gibarua gia kunyabara tabarira cia thirikari nene icigo-ini iria matungataga.
The government has taken the policy decision that police and other law enforcement agencies will work with chiefs and assistant chiefs to protect the people of Kenya and their property from criminals.
Kindiki ni augire gukinyaniria mweri wa keri mwaka ukite anini othe a county commissioner ni makuheo ngari niguo mahote kuruta wira wao wa kunyabara na kugacirithia ugitiri matari na moritu maingi.
We want to ensure that within the next 3 months every ACC will be provided with transport so that they can be able to deliver services to the people of Kenya.
Ideni ori thirikari ni yaniriire ni kuongerera kothi itiganite kuri maabitha wathani wa matuura niguo mahote kuruta wira wao na uigiririki wa gikiro kia iguru.
We'll be training other cadres including chiefs and assistant chiefs who also require training to be able to effectively discharge their services in their areas of jurisdiction.
Giki nikio gikundi gia gatatu kia maabitha wathani wa matuura gukorwo gikirikia mathomo ma gikiro giki.
Use that weapon within the law. Use it within the constitution. And the government of Kenya will defend you, will protect you, will stand by you, because this assignment must be achieved.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ni njitagwo Francis Mwangi wa wira.